Hey guys, so first I'm going to apply moisturizer. Uh, Moisturizer is a very important step before applying any makeup or doing your further steps. You should apply a moisturizer because you should not forget it. It's very important. In this video I'm not showing that which moisturizer I'm applying, but in my next video I will definitely show you that which is my favorite moisturizer. Yeah, it's my natural curls. And now I'm shaping my eyebrows. So first you always starts with the upper line. First draw upper line, then draw the lower line and just fill the last corner and first starting part of the eyebrows. So I'm just doing the same step, and if you are not clear in this video, you can watch my previous videos that where I mentioned clearly how to shape your eyebrows and how you can do all the steps. And in this video you will know that how I will do my smoky eye. So just follow this video and you can do a small very easily black smoky eye look. It's very simple and easy to do. So right now I'm just filling my eyebrows and it's done. Then after that I use a spoolie to smoothen out the fine lines, just and any kind of lines and a harsh applied लाइक होता है ना कि हाँ कि ज़्यादा अप्लाई हो गया हो तो यू कैन जस्ट स्मूथन आउट विथ हेल्प ऑफ स्पूली. देन आई एम अप्लाइंग कंसीलर on my eyelid. So I'm just blending it with help of my finger because it's very easy to blend any makeup with your fingers, and you can not use any kind of makeup brush and you can easily do your makeup. I will also show that how will you can do your makeup without any makeup brush. The video will come after one or two videos. So here I am applying concealer, BB cream. So BB cream, Pond's BB cream. I didn't mention the product name, but I will tell you that which kind of product I am using in this video. So now I am setting it with face powder, compact powder. It's a Lakme brand compact powder. Now I'm just applying kajal. It's a Quell, you can also say that. So I'm applying kajal on my lid area, where all over the lid. Just it starts with a small line, then increase it slowly. Okay, before applying kajal, I'm just blending a brown color shade on my crease line because it will give you a smoky look that you can detect that how to you have to feel that all over the lids. Okay, so I'm just blending brown eyeshadow on my both eye crease line. Then now I'm applying kajal on my both eyelids. Now you have to just fill the kajal, your all eyelids with kajal. So I'm just doing the little bits. Start with a small area, then increase the area slowly. Okay, so I'm increasing it slowly. I'm increasing it. First I'm blending it, it's to my lid area, then I again apply kajal and I'm increasing it slowly. To get a perfect eyelid look, you just have to do it slowly. Okay, to detect that how much you have to apply on your lid, you just start with small area, then just blend it, then apply a kajal. And if you are satisfied that is this area and it's cover your eyelid, then just stop it. And as I have hooded eyes, so I am applying all over the lid area, above the lid area, to get a bigger eye look. Okay, so after that I blend it with black colored eyeshadow and blending very much very nicely. Then I'm apply black colored eyeshadow. Now I'm again blending. I blended also outer corner to get eye shaped. Then again I using a brown color shade to blend with black color. Just using two colors you can get a beautiful black eyeshadow, Black Smokey Eyes. Yeah, so I'm blending it nicely. Yeah, sorry for the lighting. And now I'm just picking the highlighting shade to highlight my brow bone. Then I also highlight my inner corners. Then I'm going to pick brown color and apply it to my lower lash line to give a bigger eye look. On my both eyes I did doing the same step. After that I will go for the lashes curls. So I curl my lashes with lashes curl. It will look it will show your eyes more bigger. I'm just doing that because when you have hooded eyes you have to show that how you can you have to do that tricks that how you can show your eyes more bigger. So now I'm applying kajal liner to I'm just draw the last corner line and sharpening the wings, inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes. As I have bigger lashes, little bigger lashes, not much, so that's why I'm just shaping it. And now it's all done. So after that I will apply little kajal to my lower lash line. Then I doing the same shape on my both eyes, and it's done. And yes, I have to blend if to get a good look, just blend it with a kajal brush. So yeah, come to the face. So I applied a primer. Then I'm just applying foundation all over my face and blending it with the help of my hands, because hands gives you better result more than brush and sponge. I will show you how it can different from a hand, blending a foundation from hand and blending your foundation with brush. So I just normally contouring my face, just side of my cheekbones, and then I contour nose nose area just to look it little slimmer and nothing. So it's a casual makeup. I'm doing it for casual day. So I'm not more highlighting my face, just contouring. I'm not doing more sculpted like face, just normally contouring my face, little contour my face. Then I just apply foundation, uh, inner corner of my eyes and outer corner of my eyes, then bridge of my nose and cheekbone, side of cheekbones. Then I just applied it to my center of forehead. Then I will simply blend it all with the help of my sponge. So I'm just blending it. Yeah, if I made a mistake to saying anything, any sentence properly, so just ignore it. And what I can say. So yeah, moving to the steps. So blend it nicely. Just normally I'm sculpting my face, not so sculpted because it's casual party makeup. I'm not doing it for heavy dresses like makeup. Yeah, you can just do it by adding some glitter on eyes for party like makeup and more sculpted. If you guys want to share that kind of makeup, more sculpt and glittery eyes, smoky eyes, smoky, more smoky for party kind of smoky eyes, so just comment below. I will should share that kind of a video or not. So I will obviously definitely make a video such kind of that video. So after that I using a translucent powder baking my face. I'm just as I said, I'm just doing a casual party kind of makeup, so I'm just little bake my face. It's very casual. So after baking my side of nose, I just using applying powder side of nose and under my eyes, and side of cheeks, and just leave it for 2 seconds, and just for the seconds, and then I just remove it. uh, till that my setting powder is setting, I'm just applying my mascara. If any falls, just you have to, if you are applying any glitter, so applied your translucid powder, and then apply glitter. If any falls is means any kind of glitter falls, so you can remove it easily. So I'm brushing out excess powder which left over my face. Then it's done. Contouring and baking is all done. I'm just setting my contour with contour powder, just applying to the my cheek side of cheeks and cheekbones and under my cheekbones, and sculpting my face. So I'm just contouring my face to look it's more sculpt, and setting my contour creams which I applied. So contouring my chin area and side of nose all done. Then after that I will apply little of blush, floating my curls. Now I am going to apply uh, blush. So I'm applying blush on my cheekbone, and blush is the most important, which gives you a clearly red glow, and I just love to apply blush. It just simply change your face shape, and just give you a different look. And now I'm applying picking a highlighting shade and applying it to my highlight area. So high point of eyebrows and high point of my cheeks, and it's so shiny. I just loving it. Yeah, so shiny. So after that I'm going to sorry if I'm floating my curls so much. So after that I'm going to move on to next step. I will apply a lipstick. Sorry, I just forget lipstick recording. I applied a brown shade. Then I'm just shaping my lips with the help of concealer to give it more a nice shape. So lipstick coding was easily. And if you think that if I can also share some kind of nude makeup where you can see that how I did nude lipstick and which shade I applied. So in this video I applied a brown shade and lining up with a simple liner, and then just concealing it. So lipstick was this is the lipstick steps, and then I just it's done, and I'm now floating my makeup, curls, and also my dress. Yes, so if you like this video, so do share with your friends, subscribe this channel, and like this video, and comment below that I should make a party kind of means heavy kind of black smoky eyes and this one when I was doing my makeup. Yeah, so bye, see you later guys.